Today I just wanted to review Ratchet and Clank, this game right here. It's a very good game, pretty easy. I got through it in a pretty short period of time. I just want to say that the game has really good graphics, good music, and I'll be showing some screenshots of it throughout this video, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. To me, it was one of the better games I played in a while. Like I said, it wasn't too difficult. Towards the end, probably like the last couple of stages, it got a little harder, but not that bad. Even the main boss at the end, he was pretty easy. The opportunity to upgrade weapons is really nice. And doesn't take much to upgrade them, and it's very good selection of weapons to use. A lot of times you would use probably 2 or 3 of those weapons at the most, and you would use them almost all the time. They're very powerful. There is a little bit of a tournament, just like in Ratchet Deadlocked. So you're basically in an arena. You get to battle some of the people coming out at you, some of the other characters. Basically, like I said, the graphics are good. The particle effects are really nice. The 3D modeling of the characters is really nice. The background graphics is amazing. Like, you see things blowing up, and got different vehicles flying in the air. It's really nice. So I really do recommend this game. Definitely go out and buy it, play it, and enjoy it. It's really good. Not difficult, so you'll be able to get through it in probably 10 to 15 hours, if that. I'm probably going to go and play it one more time, just because when you beat the game, you have the opportunity to play it again in a little harder difficulty. So I think I might do that. All in all, I just want to say it was a really good game. Go out and get it. See ya.